When editing a post, you may have noticed down here this format section, and that has to do with the type of post you'll be posting. So by default, it has this standard checked, and this is for just a standard blog post. So a standard blog post has a title, and then it has the content, right? So if we look at our actual website, this post looks like all of our other ones because they're all under standard, where we have the title, and then we have text or pictures, we have our content in our blog post below. Well, if we're doing a different type of post, then we can change the format of that post and it will appear differently on our website. So if we want to post a status, for instance, so something like a Facebook status, usually those don't have titles. It just kind of has our text right away. So we can change the format of this. Let's change it to status. As you can see here in the editor, it's already looking different. So we've changed it to status. We just have to hit update. Anytime we make changes back here, we've got to make sure we update them or else it won't be different on our actual site. So now let's go here. We'll hit refresh. And as you can see, the format of this post is completely different than these other ones because it's for a status. It doesn't have a title. It just shows the status that we want to portray and even has a different color. So you can play around with that, and based on the type of blog post, you can try a different format and it might be better suited for that type of blog post. One thing to note though is that this, like almost everything, varies from theme to theme. So how a status looks on this theme may be completely different than what a status looks like on a different theme. So you have to play around with that, and some themes pretty much ignore format. So there's some themes where you'll put status or image or change the format to whatever it may be, and it all looks like standard. So that will depend a little bit based on the theme you're using, and you'll have to just play around with it to see how it looks and see whether you like certain formats or if you want to just stick with standard.